Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make a peanut butter cheesecake. This is so scrumptious. Oh, let's get started. Alright, get a food processor, so and put in 250 grams of cookies. Now I'm using vanilla wafer cookies because they're awesome. Now process it until it's fine crumbs. Now melt 110 grams of butter. Pour that in. And just mix. Then I got a Springfield pan action for the basement parchment paper. Over some cooking spray oil. Just give it a good spray. And then put the mixture all in. Not just spread around evenly. And we're going to flatten. Or you can wipe it down on the bottom. Now to put this in the fridge for about half an hour to completely set, then we'll get into the next part. Next I got a double cup of water and put in 2 packets of unflavored gelatin. Now just leave this here for just soften, then I'll put it in the microwave and then I'll turn it back into a liquid. Alright, and then steam mixer, here mixer, put in 500 grams of softened cream cheese. Then on a half a cup of peanut butter. Alright, now just mix it until it's one combined, nice and creamy. Now 1 cup of granulated sugar. And 1 cup of 250 milliliters of whipping cream. Now 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. And gelatin mixture. Now just mix this for about a couple of minutes till it's well combined. Now taking our base out of the fridge, all we have to do is pour the mixture straight in. Oh, just look how delicious that works. Now just shake it until it goes on the sides. Now put this in the fridge for about 4 to 6 hours or overnight until it's completely set. Oh, beautiful. Now let's cut a piece. Oh, beautiful. I have got a triple recipe for a peanut butter cheesecake, as you can see. Oh, so creamy. Best cheesecake ever. Please try this, you're gonna love it. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you in the next one for the new recipe. Peace out.